Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my kitchen, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. So, we are now officially in the Christmas season. Thanksgiving just passed a couple days ago, and when I think of the Christmas season, you guys, one of the things that I think of is baking. So today, that is exactly what we are going to do. We are going to bake some cookies. I've got some chocolate chip cookies, I've got some white chocolate cookies, I've got some double chocolate cookies with milk chocolate, and I've got some chocolate cookies with white chocolate chips. So I've got 4 different versions of a chocolate chip cookie, all starting with the same base. So if you guys want to learn how to make them and make them keto style, then join me and I will show you how coming up next. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and get started with the dry ingredients. So I am going to sift some almond flour, and the ingredients will be left on the screen. Almond flour, some coconut flour, then I've got some arrowroot powder, just stuck in here for some reason. Must have been a little bit of moisture in this container. Okay. We've got some baking soda, some gum, and then some salt. Let's go ahead and sift this through. And you guys, this base recipe that I'm using was inspired by a recipe that I made several months ago from Gnom's Kitchen. And the cookie recipe was a chocolate chip cookie. Okay, now that is all set. So at this point, I can go ahead and set this aside, and we are going to get into the butter mixture. All right, everyone, so the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to add some softened butter into this bowl, and we are going to cream it. All right, that looks good. Now we're going to add the golden erythritol, and we're going to cream that into this butter. Now add in this vanilla extract, and then after that I will follow up with the 1 egg. Now for the egg. Okay, everyone, so now at this point I am going to take this rubber mallet and give everything a good mix, just to make sure everything is well incorporated. As you can see, there's a lot of this butter on these beaters, but these are going to be used again because we still have to mix in the coconut flour mixture. This is smooth and creamy. So now at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to add in the dry ingredients a half at a time. Have it. Mix that in, and then we will come back for the next. there we have it. So now at this point, I'll just go ahead and give this another mix. Bring down the size of this batter. You guys, it smells amazing. Okay, so at this point, I am going to divide this batter because again, I am making 4 different chocolate chip cookies. All right, everyone, so now that this batter is complete, I am going to separate it into different containers so that way I can make the 4 different styles of chocolate chip cookies. So this is going to be a rough measurement, you guys. Does not have to be perfect. So half of it I'm going to put in this bowl for now because what I need to do is because I'm making double chocolate chip cookies, I need to put some of this unsweetened cocoa powder in it. This is about half. All right, let's set this aside. The consistency that I want. All right, everyone, so what I ended up doing is using about just shy of a 1/4 cup of that unsweetened cocoa powder for this. All right, so now at this point, let's go ahead and separate this. As part of this, I am going to add some white chocolate, and then the rest of it, I'm going to add some dark chocolate. And by the way, you guys, I am using Lily's. So I've got a Lily's white chocolate baking chips, and then I also have a Lily's milk chocolate baking chip. And I want to say that I purchased these from Walmart. So here we have a chocolate cookie. We have a chocolate cookie with white chocolate chips. Let's set this aside and let's mix the one, which is going to be the double chocolate chip cookies. So chocolate cookie with chocolate chips. And we can set that aside because after I finish mixing in these chocolate chip guys, this needs to go into the refrigerator for about 1 hour to set before we actually bake them. And to this, we are going to add the white chocolate. To this, we are going to add the rest of the milk chocolate. So that way we'll have a nice assortment of cookies. So guys, tell me, what are your favorite cookies to make for the holidays? Leave it in the comments below. I would love to hear from you guys, and perhaps I might try to make them myself. Okay. That's good. And lastly, the traditional chocolate chip cookie. So now at this point, I am going to get some plastic wrap this up so it can go into the refrigerator again to set for 1 hour. And that is now ready for the fridge. All right, now off these go to the refrigerator for 1 hour. Okay, everyone, so the hour has gone by. So let's go ahead and unwrap these and get them in this baking sheet so that we can get them in the oven. Okay, I'm going to spray this baking sheet with some non-stick cooking spray. This is avocado oil. Okay. Okay, now off to the oven these goes for about 15 minutes. All right, everyone, welcome back. So these cookies are out of the oven. They have cooled and they look amazing. So let's go ahead and give them a taste. So let's go ahead and start with the chocolate cookies. Lord, I thank you. Delicious. A little bit soft on the inside is the texture, but it's got that nice crunch on the outside, and guys, the chocolate on chocolate is phenomenal. Absolutely delicious. And of course, I have the ones that are chocolate with the white chocolate on the inside. Let's take a taste of that one too. So good. Absolutely delicious. Oh, wow. I may actually like the white chocolate and the chocolate better. But of course, that's my preference. Now, here we've got the traditional chocolate chip. So good, you guys. And lastly, the ones with the white chocolate chip. Loving the white chocolate, you guys. Absolutely delicious. But there you have it, you guys. You got the one base recipe, and it has been tweaked a little bit to give us 4 different varieties of chocolate chip cookies, and you cannot go wrong with any of them. Absolutely delicious. I have a little cup here. You can have some almond milk, you can have some coffee, whatever it is that takes your cookie eating experience to the next level. So you guys, please do give this recipe a try. Give it a thumbs up, please do share, and leave your comments below. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And remember, you guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And remember, it is a great day, and you make it your own kind of special. And you guys, I will see you soon on my next I've Got Something to Say too. Thanks again, you guys, and